When you withdraw money from a standard retirement account, the government takes a cut. But by routing your investments through a Roth IRA, you pay taxes on the money now. That means every dollar of growth and every withdrawal you make in retirement is entirely legally yours to keep. To get this system running today, we will execute a 3-step sequence: opening the account, moving your money into it, and automating your investments. Before we start, you need 4 pieces of information on hand. Grab your social security number, a valid government ID, your checking account routing details, and your most recent W-2 or 1099 form. That W-2 or 1099 is necessary because the federal government requires you to have earned income during this current tax year to be eligible to put money into this account. By gathering these 4 documents now, we reduce a complex tax strategy into a series of straightforward digital inputs. Step 1 is making sure you actually qualify. The IRS places limits on who can directly fund this account based on how much money you make. This chart shows the current modified adjusted gross income limits. If you are a single filer making under the phase-out limit, you're in the green zone. The same applies to married couples filing jointly, who fall under their specific threshold. If your income exceeds these green zones, you are not allowed to fund the account directly. You will need to use an alternate route known as a backdoor Roth, which requires a different set of steps. Assuming you qualify, log into any major online brokerage. Navigate to Open an Account and select the option explicitly labeled Roth IRA. The platform will ask for your address, employment status, and social security number. Federal Know Your Customer laws require brokerages to collect this data to verify your identity. Once approved, you will land on your new dashboard. The account balance will display as $0. You now possess the legal shell. This empty digital container is the exact structure required to shield your future assets from taxation. To fill that container, navigate to the Transfers section of your dashboard and input your checking account routing and account numbers to securely link your bank. This graphic illustrates the federal cap on deposits. The IRS sets a strict maximum annual contribution limit, currently thousands of dollars per year for individuals under age 50. You cannot legally deposit more than this set cap. With your bank linked and the limit in mind, select your checking account as the from source and your new Roth IRA as the to destination. Enter your deposit amount and click Submit. Your dashboard will temporarily show this transfer as pending. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to clear the banking system and settle into the brokerage. Your account now holds real money. However, this cash is currently sitting uninvested, earning minimal interest and losing purchasing power to inflation. We have to put it to work. Many people stop at this exact point, assuming they are now investing for retirement. They are not. Their money is just sitting idle in a money market settlement fund. This interface shows the difference. On the left, a cash settlement fund merely holds your deposit. On the right, an active position means your cash has actually been used to purchase an investment. Once your deposited cash clears, locate the Trade or Buy/Sell button on your dashboard to access the active trading screen. Enter the ticker symbol for a diversified asset. For most hands-off investors, this is usually a broad market index fund or a target date fund tied to their expected retirement year. Specify the dollar amount you want to invest, preview the order, and hit Buy to execute the trade. By purchasing that asset, your money transitions from idle cash into the market, officially activating the compounding growth that your account will protect from taxes. To ensure you hit the IRS maximum every year without having to remember to log in, we need to set up an automated recurring transfer. Take the current annual IRS limit and divide it by 12 to find the exact monthly deposit needed to maximize your tax advantage. In your brokerage settings, locate the Recurring Transfers tool, select a monthly frequency, and input that exact calculated amount. Ensure the automated rule is set not just to transfer the cash, but to automatically purchase your chosen index fund with those funds every single time. With this schedule locked in, you bypass the friction of manual deposits. You have established a continuous, uninterrupted cycle of buying that will compound over the coming decades. Your account is now fully functional. The cash flows automatically, the assets are purchased regularly, and the system runs itself. Because you built this inside a Roth IRA structure, the dividends, interest, and compound growth this system generates will be permanently shielded from U.S. taxation. The only maintenance required is a brief review of your settings once a year. Periodically, the IRS will legislate an increase to the annual contribution limits to account for inflation. When they do, simply log back in and adjust your automated monthly transfer amount to match the new math. By setting up this digital pipeline and confirming your assets are actively invested, you have insulated your future self from taxes in retirement.